Success, we all seek it, but how many of us know what it really takes to achieve it? Let's take a journey back thousands of years to explore the teachings of Krishna, wisdom that has been guiding generations and that speaks just as powerfully to us today. Krishna, the divine guide of Arjuna, reminds us of something profound. Focus on your actions, not on the results. In a world that's constantly demanding results from us, grades, promotions, likes, and follows, Krishna's words echo as a reminder. Success, he tells us, comes not from obsessing over outcomes, but from dedicating ourselves to the journey. Every step, every effort we make is where true fulfillment lies. Imagine if we approached each task with this mindset, pouring our heart into it, without fear or anxiety about the results. Wouldn't that take away so much pressure? Krishna shows us that when we shift our focus to doing our best in each moment, success becomes a byproduct of our dedication, not a destination. And there's another crucial lesson Krishna taught: the power of connection. Krishna knew that we are stronger when we uplift each other rather than compete. In the great epic, the Mahabharata, he led by example in bringing allies together, building bonds, and reminding us that success often requires unity, empathy, and compassion. In our modern lives, that might mean supporting a friend, being there for family, or working as a true teammate. It's in helping others rise that we rise too. But Krishna didn't stop there. He taught us to face challenges head on. Life throws obstacles at everyone. Even Krishna faced countless struggles. His message: challenges are not walls meant to stop us, they are steps meant to strengthen us. So when life feels heavy, remember that every challenge is a chance to learn and grow. Each one shapes you, builds you, and brings you closer to the person you're meant to be. True success, Krishna says, is not in what we achieve, but in how we walk our path. It's in the courage to take each step with love and purpose. It's in staying present, helping others, and embracing every challenge. These timeless teachings can guide us today, offering peace, strength, and meaning in a world full of noise. So as you go forward, remember Krishna's words: let his wisdom be your guide, because real success doesn't come from outside, it comes from within. Thank you for watching, and may Krishna's teachings inspire you on your journey.